invert layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Invert the layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Convert layer to smart object. Change blending mode to color dodge. Apply levels and adjust mid-tone value. Apply black and white effect. Now select all. Go to edit and select copy merge. Go to edit and paste. Apply blowing edges filter and adjust values. Change blending mode to multiply. Invert the layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Set layer opacity to 70. Create a new layer. Now apply texturizer filter and select sandstone texture. Change blending mode to multiply. Set layer opacity to 70.